Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hash brown casserole. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. So first you're going to need 2 pounds of frozen hash browns. I went ahead and thawed my hash browns. And then you're going to need about 10.5 ounces of condensed cream of chicken, half of an onion that I've chopped, 8 ounces of Colby cheese, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and half a stick of butter. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and melted my butter, and now in a 9x13 inch pan, I'm going to go ahead and mix all my ingredients besides the hash browns. After mixing in all my ingredients, now I'm going to be adding the thawed hash browns, and I'm going to be mixing this in with my hands. When you're spreading it in the pan, you just want to spread it evenly without pressing it down. Now I'm just going to go ahead and bake it at 350 for 45 minutes and broil for about 5 minutes. And this is the final look of the hash brown casserole. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.